Today's tutorial is about laser eyebrow shape. So first, eye shields are placed over both eyes to protect delicate eye tissue during the procedure. Short pulses are delivered to the upper brow and the lower brow area. So now we're going to do the upper brow. Work methodically, gently and slowly. Now we're going to do the bridge of the brows. And then continuing on the other eyebrow. The results are gradual reduction in hair density and finer regrowth, and absolutely gives you a cleaner, polished brow line. Particularly good for clients who have a high maintenance eyebrows. Sometimes they end up in a salon every 10 to 11 days. The spatula gives you a guideline to work over it. And you're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.